Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the XIWMIX Ultra Slim Wireless Bluetooth Keyboard in a charming light pink backlit design. Let's dive straight into what makes this keyboard stand out from the rest. First off, it boasts broad compatibility, working seamlessly with various Bluetooth-enabled devices including iPads, Samsung tablets, laptops, and smartphones running on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. One of the most striking features of this keyboard is its 7 colors LED backlighting, offering both breathing lights and constant light modes. This not only adds a touch of flair to your workspace but also enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Now, let's talk about performance. The XIWMIX Bluetooth keyboard is equipped with a stable scissor mechanism under each key, providing smooth, noiseless typing experience with quick rebound. With its high sensitivity and precise key response, typing becomes a breeze, whether you're working on documents or chatting with friends. Worried about battery life? Fret not. This keyboard features a built-in 450 mAh rechargeable battery that can last up to 10 days of constant use on a single charge. Plus, it supports Smart Auto Sleep Mode to conserve power when inactive, ensuring longevity. Moving on to portability, the ultra-slim and lightweight design of this keyboard makes it the perfect travel companion. Measuring at just 9.6 by 5.7 by 0.24 inches and weighing only 0.4 pounds, you can easily slip it into your bag or backpack without adding extra bulk. Operation is a breeze with this keyboard. It features a separate on-off slider for easy control, and switching between devices is seamless with the FN key shortcuts. Plus, with an operating distance of up to 10 meters, you can enjoy wireless freedom without compromising on connectivity. In conclusion, the XIWMIX Ultra Slim Wireless Bluetooth Keyboard combines style, functionality, and convenience into one sleek package. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this keyboard offers versatility and performance at an affordable price point. That wraps up our review of the XIWMIX Bluetooth keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.